want to talk about John Deere front rear axles, also upgrade options. So we've sold a few of these this week, and I've got a customer right now that we're doing an upgrade on, so I thought it was relevant to do a quick video. So he has a 100mm axle on an older 9300. They've already put money in the engine transmission, but they keep having axle problems. So they want to know, was there an option to go heavier? So yes, there is. So first level is we can go to a 9400 with a 110 axle. All we have to do there is swap you wedges. Then there's a second upgrade in this axle, which would be a 20 series axle that has a heavier ring and pinion in it. So that's upgrade number 2. Then you would go to upgrade number 3, or what we call a heavy duty 110. Why is it heavy duty? It has a wider, heavier casting. That is the same casting as the 120mm. It's just machined for the 110. So there you automatically get the different or the ring and pinion upgrade, and then now you get extra beefiness on your final drives. So that would be your third upgrade. Then you get a fourth upgrade in the same axle, which goes back to the differential. Now you can get an 18-bolt ring and pinion and differential. So that's upgrade number 4. Then we can go to upgrade number 5, which gets you to a 120mm axle. It would have the heavy duty 12-bolt differential ring and pinion. And then the last upgrade option is we can go to a, well, not the last, but we've got, you'd go to a 9R 120, which would be 18-bolt ring and pinion differential. The only issue you run into with the 120 is that if you had an older casting that would not accept 120 wedges or dual hubs, at that point then you got extra charges for that. But once you're in the 20 series, you don't have that problem. So I have to count. That would be 1, 2 upgrades, 3, 4, 5. So 6 upgrades from the smallest version. We're working on a 7th upgrade, which would be the end-all be-all to all axles, where we're machining the inner bearings. What fails, we've figured out a way to machine the inner housing to match the outer 120 bearing, which should almost eliminate, maybe I shouldn't say eliminate, it should extend the life dramatically on the final drive bearings. So it's not about what you have, it's about what you want it to be. We've got all those options for you.